Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to get virtual credit card with Revolut. So first thing that you will do is open up the Revolut application into your device. And now, as you can see on the top right corner of the screen, you should be able to see here the credit card icon. So guys, make sure you are on the home page down below on the bottom left in order for you to see the card. So when you tap on the card, just simply tap on add new over here down below. And once you have done that, you should be able to see here virtual. Tap on virtual. And after that, just simply select a color that you prefer. So you will have here multiple options that you might want to consider and tap on get card for free. And now from here, just simply provide the card name that you prefer. And as you can see, we should be able to see here multiple presets. So let's say I'm going to go for general and tap on create card. And from there, you should be able to get your virtual card with Revolut. And that's simply about it. I hope this video is helpful and thanks for watching. See ya.